What do you think, Frankie? Oh, you're gonna sit down now and do nothing. I'm at the doctor's office, and I don't know what to think about all this. I look like a penguin now. Oh, look at that. Oh, what's that? Chair? Chairs are boring. But I think I'm gonna go here and look at that. Smells like a nice chair. That's a nice. Oh, look at that. I could get on top of it. No, never mind. That's that cage. I don't like that cage. Right there. What else in here? Right there. What's that? Nah. That's not very interesting. This floor smells good. I love the smell of a good floor. Oh yeah. Sure do. Look at that. Oh, that's even better. I might eat this floor. Maybe not. Look at that wall. There's a table. It's pretty high. I don't know if I get on that table. Let's go behind here. What's up here? Some strings that I'm not going to be paying attention to because that's just too cliche. Oh, there we go. There's the door. Yep. Ooh, hey, let me hide. I love rooms, but not that one. Let's see. Not much in this room. Reflection of a light. Maybe I'll sit down here and look at that. The little bright spot on the floor. That's pretty mesmerizing. I'm just gonna sit here and stay here a while and look at this. Yep. Well, there we go. That lasted like 2 seconds. That was interesting. Well, look at that. Hey, how's it going? Get that camera out of my face. Yeah. Something going in on the other room. I don't know what that is. Another nice smelling part of the floor. Oh boy, this is boring. Nice. Whoa, 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 Jesus, what was that? Oh, man. Yeah. I really think I'm going to get a shot, but it's not happening. Maybe I just was in here to just play around and slide around this floor. Could be. But, well, I'd say, oh, what was that? What was that? What was that? Okay. Well, this is the most boring day I've ever had.